The course began by teaching David the fundamentals of marketing research and its role in decision-making. He learned that marketing research involves systematically gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data to inform business decisions. Armed with this knowledge, David started conducting detailed surveys and focus groups, allowing him to gather critical insights into customer preferences and market trends. David quickly realized the importance of relationship marketing. Instead of focusing solely on short-term sales, he began to prioritize long-term customer relationships. He introduced loyalty programs, personalized communications, and improved customer service, which not only increased customer satisfaction, but also enhanced the company's reputation. Through the course, David also learned about decision-making models like SWOT analysis and the 4 Ps of marketing. These models helped him structure his strategic planning more effectively, evaluating both internal and external factors that could impact the business. This systematic approach allowed him to make better informed decisions that aligned with the company's goals. As he delved deeper into the course, David explored the distinctions between marketing research and marketing intelligence. While marketing research typically addressed specific issues, marketing intelligence provided a broader, ongoing analysis of market conditions. By integrating both, David could offer comprehensive insights that informed both strategic and tactical decisions. One of the key areas that fascinated David was competitive intelligence strategy. He started gathering and analyzing information about competitors, using this data to identify opportunities and threats within the market. David's journey didn't stop there. He embraced the power of AI in market research, utilizing automated tools for data collection and analysis. This not only saved time, but also provided more accurate and comprehensive data. AI-driven insights allowed David to predict market trends and customer behaviors with greater precision, supporting more informed decision-making. He was diligent about the ethical use of consumer data, always putting the needs and rights of consumers first. Understanding the difference between correlation and causation, David made ethical decisions that upheld the company's integrity. David's story is a testament to how mastering key concepts in marketing research and intelligence can propel a professional from novice to guru. By leveraging data, embracing technology, and adhering to ethical standards, David transformed his career and significantly impacted his company's success.